Welcome to BikeSphere. In today's video, we're taking a close look at the 2025 Honda Activa 125, the latest update to one of India's most popular scooters. With its blend of style, comfort, and performance, the Activa 125 has long been a go-to choice for commuters, and this new model raises the bar even higher. Let's dive into what makes this scooter stand out in 2025. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Honda Activa 125 continues the legacy of its predecessors, combining practicality with modern design elements. It gets a more refined, sharp look with updated body panels and sleeker lines. The front apron is more angular, and the rear has received a design upgrade, giving the scooter a more premium feel. Honda has also included fresh color options that give the Activa 125 a contemporary vibe while retaining its mass appeal. The scooter's build quality feels robust, designed to handle the rigors of daily use while looking stylish. Engine and performance. Powering the 2025 Activa 125 is a 124cc single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine. This engine delivers a smooth and efficient performance, making it ideal for both city commutes and short weekend getaways. Honda has worked on improving fuel efficiency while ensuring that the scooter still provides enough power to get you through traffic with ease. The engine also features enhanced refinement, which makes the ride feel quieter and more comfortable compared to earlier models. Expect around 8 horsepower and impressive torque delivery, making the Activa 125 an ideal option for urban riders. Technology and features. The 2025 Activa 125 introduces several technological advancements that elevate its user experience. The scooter now comes with a fully digital instrument cluster that displays all key riding information, including trip data, fuel efficiency, and more. One standout feature is the Honda Smart Key, which allows you to operate the scooter remotely for tasks like unlocking the seat or turning on the ignition, adding a touch of convenience and security. The scooter is also equipped with LED headlights, ensuring better visibility and enhanced road presence, especially during nighttime rides. In addition to these features, the 2025 model also includes CBS Combi brake system, offering better braking performance and improved safety, especially in emergency situations. The Activa 125's new idle stop system helps save fuel by automatically turning off the engine at stoplights and then restarting it when you twist the throttle. Ride and comfort. Comfort is key in the Activa 125, and Honda has kept this in mind with its updated suspension system. The scooter comes with telescopic forks at the front and a hydraulic shock absorber at the rear, ensuring a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. The seat has been designed for better ergonomics, providing a comfortable experience even on longer rides. The flat floorboard adds to the scooter's overall ease of use, making it easy to mount, dismount, and maneuver, especially in busy city traffic. The Activa 125 is also equipped with a wider footboard and better underseat storage, making it more practical for daily usage. Whether you're carrying groceries or a helmet, you'll appreciate the extra space that makes the Activa 125 ideal for everyday commuting. Safety and handling. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Honda Activa 125 doesn't fall short. Along with the combi brake system, the scooter features improved tires with better grip, ensuring stability and control on various road surfaces. The addition of LED DRLs, daytime running lights, also improves visibility during the day, keeping you safer on the road. The chassis has been engineered for better stability, making handling effortless, especially when navigating through tight spaces or heavy traffic. Price and conclusion. The 2025 Honda Activa 125 comes with a price tag that's expected to remain competitive, making it an attractive choice for buyers who want a blend of performance, reliability, and modern features. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a versatile scooter for short trips, the Activa 125 checks all the boxes. With its stylish design, fuel-efficient engine, enhanced comfort, and upgraded technology, the 2025 Honda Activa 125 is set to maintain its position as one of the top scooters in India. If you're in the market for a new scooter, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to BikeSphere for more updates on the latest scooters and motorcycles.